you there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for a little bit of light-hearted fun. Okay, this is obviously the intro to Classical Gas from Mason Williams. Okay, so I thought I'd just start off with this, and if it goes well then we might proceed to some more of the song. Okay, so I'm no finger picker, so please excuse the way I'm finger picking. I'm no conventional finger picker. Okay, I basically just use my thumb and two fingers. Okay, but it's obviously a classical song and a real classic to actually play. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos. As you can see, I'm doing it in the original key of A minor. Okay, so the intro to this classic song, starting off with an A minor shape. Okay, and what I'm doing to start with is I'm plucking the fifth string, the A string, with my thumb, and the second string with my finger together. Okay, it's nice and easy. Okay, then we pluck the third string and then the second string again. So it's, again, I'm using my thumb and my first finger for all of this. Okay, so far. Got that? Bit of a pause, and then we go partial G chord. I'm playing the third fret of the bottom E string and the open third and open second. Again, first finger and thumb, that's all I'm using there. So far. Then we put again a minute pause, and then we play that second fret of the bottom E string, going down to an E minor type chord. But all you need is the open bottom E string, the third string, and the second string again open. Okay, so you've got okay, nice and easy so far. So here we go. That's the second on the third, open third, and then we play the A minor again, but just the fourth, fifth, fourth and third strings really. You can play the second string if you want as well. I tend to play just the fifth, fourth and third strings. Okay, so far. Okay, it's the first phrase. Next phrase is what I'm doing there, again, A minor. I'm plucking the fifth string and the second string again together, but I'm hammering in. So open second string to start with, fifth string, open second string, hammer into that first fret on the second string. Then the third string on the second fret of the A minor. Then the second string open again, and then hammer again back into the first fret on the second string. So it's got that. And then we'll repeat the last bit we did on the G chord. Bottom E string followed by the open third, open second. Pause, then the second on the fifth. Okay, and then the bottom E string open again, and then the open third, open second. So it's okay, so far. So far, right from the beginning. Got. Now what that is second on the third, open third, then we do a hammer, open third to second, so it's right, and then the open second, so, and then the A minor again, fifth string, fourth string and third string. So far, okay, right from the beginning. hopefully you've got that. Now we come to this very nice little build up. Okay, now what I'm doing there, but again it's quite simple. Bottom E string 3rd fret, then the open 3rd, open 2nd. Okay, so then we fret the A minor and we play the 5th string, 3rd string and 2nd string again, so it's 5th, 3rd, 2nd. This one is 6th, 3rd, 2nd. Then the A minor shape, 5th string, open, 3rd string, 2nd string, 0. And then we do this one. So that's 2nd on the 5th, with the first one playing, I'm using my first finger for that, and I'm using my 3rd finger for that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string, and it's 5th string, open 3rd, 3rd on the 2nd. So now you got, okay, so right from the beginning, very slowly, up to that point, okay, so it's so far. Then this comes into a C chord, and it's a standard C chord, okay, and then you pluck the fifth string of the chord along with the top E string open, right, 5th string and top E string together. Then you play the 4th string of the C chord, 2nd on the 4th there, right. I'm using my thumb for that. Then you add your pinky and play that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So you got, okay, got that? So once again, form C chord, play the 5th string and the top E string together. Immediately followed by the thumb is playing the 4th string of the C chord, 2nd on the 4th there. And then your pinky comes across and plays the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So you got that. Then you play the A minor chord. So that's 5 down to 2. Okay. Then you add your pinky to that 3rd fret of the 2nd string and play that note. So it's, okay, that's that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And finally, again with the A, just keep the A minor there, you play that 2nd on the 4th, play that single note, then that 1st fret of the 2nd string, and pull off to open 2nd string. Okay, so that last bit where it builds up, you've got so once again, all the way through, slowly. Okay, and there it is, just keep practicing that, gradually speed it up a bit, okay, and there's your intro to the wonderful classical gas, as played by me. It's not a finger picker. Right, thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that quickie, and I'll see what the reaction is, and then we might move on to a bit more. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Bye for now.